Hi everyone, welcome back to Exclusively Nail Art. I do just want to take a second here to say thank you to all of the veterans before we get into this nail art tutorial, and thank you to those who have made the ultimate sacrifice for our country. These are the tools that you are going to need for our nail art. The Sally Hansen Double Duty Base and Top Coat, I will be using it for both today. You need this liquid latex and the Miracle Gel Red Eye polish. You will need some sort of cup and some room temperature water and blue polish, white polish. This one is China Glaze, the white out. And you will also need some Q-tips and you will need some toothpicks. As always, your first step is going to be painting on your base coat. Once your base coat is done, you are going to put on your base color. Anytime you do water marbling nails, I do suggest that you use a white color as the base. This helps the colors pop that you use in the water marbling design. I also suggest not worrying about how thick your base color is and if it's got some spots, because it won't really matter in the end because your colors will pop through just with that little bit of white. Once your base color is on, you do need to paint around your nails with the liquid latex. It's basically like glue, so you could use some glue around your nails if you do not have this stuff. My suggestion on this is put it everywhere. I'm serious. You want to put it like down your knuckle. You really even want to put it on the underside of your finger. This helps with cleanup later on. The more that you do on your fingers now, the easier the cleanup is later. And you'll see what the cleanup looks like in a bit. Now it is time to start your water marbling. So what you're going to need is some room temperature water, some sort of container to put it in. I always use like a plastic cup because it's really hard to get nail polish off once it's done. And you're also going to want to make sure that you use some really like drippy and probably newer nail polish for this design. Otherwise, it doesn't spread out very well in the water. Then you use your toothpick once you've dropped in quite a few drops of each color, and you push it around to make your design. When making this design in the water, I typically do back and forth with my toothpick in one direction, so like left to right, and then I'll also go in the other direction, like up, down, so, or top to bottom. And so that is what kind of makes a really fun design, but you could do it in swirls, you could do it really in any way, and just put it however you like it. Once you see a design that you like, you are going to line up your fingers and dip them in. Most people do one finger at a time, but I really don't like wasting nail polish, so I always try to do 2 fingers at a time. Once your fingers are in, you blow on the top of the water to make sure that the extra nail polish dries. Then you go in with your Q-tip and you kind of pick up all of that extra color. Then you'll pick your hands back out. So if you do decide to do 2 fingers in the water at once like I am, I do not suggest putting both thumbs in at once, because there's really nothing you can do once both of your thumbs are in the water, and there's no easy way to get that extra nail polish off the top of the water. If you are doing your nail art with somebody else around, you could ask them to just come take that one layer off, but as you can see, I really didn't know what to do, and I kind of just got it all over my fingers to try to get my nail polish out. So do not put both thumbs in at once. Once all of your nail art is done, you are going to go back with tweezers is usually what I do, and peel off that liquid latex to clean up around your nails. Once you peel off all the liquid latex, you will still have cleanup work to do. So I suggest getting a cotton swab and some nail polish remover to do that. I use the cotton ball for the big portions of my hands, so not very close to my nails. And you also want to make sure that you are not grabbing the nail polish remover parts with your fingernails. Be really careful to use your fingertips so that you're not taking off any nail polish that you don't want to take off. Once all the big areas of my fingernails are cleaned up, I go in with a Q-tip and nail polish remover to get closer around the edges of my nails. You can also use a nail brush with remover on it to get close to your nails as well. The final step today is going to be painting on your top coat. And there is your finished look. I hope that you enjoyed this nail art tutorial. Please feel free to recreate this and send me pictures or videos. Now, I would love if you could like and subscribe to my channel. There's other videos linked right here that you can watch, and I will see you later. Thanks for visiting. Bye!